Parkinson's disease, or PD, is a progressive movement disorder that results in tremors, stiffness, and the slowing of movement due to a lack of dopamine in the body. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that affects movement and emotional responses. The cells that produce dopamine are located in the substantia nigra in the midbrain, where dopamine sends signals from this area to other parts of the brain. The exact cause of Parkinson's disease is unknown, but the decrease in the amount of dopamine is caused by the death of dopamine-producing cells. It is believed that apoptosis, or programmed cell death, is involved in the death of these cells. It is also believed that Parkinson's could be caused by genetic mutations and environmental factors. The lack of dopamine that causes Parkinson's disrupts movement. The basal ganglia and cerebellum are the parts of the brain that control the body's movement. The function of the basal ganglia relies on dopamine. Due to the decrease in the amount of dopamine receptors are not adequately stimulated, causing the basal ganglia to be understimulated, resulting in the display of the symptoms of PD. It is thought that some cases of Parkinson's are caused by inherited genetic mutations. Genetic mutations cause mitochondrial dysfunction and the accumulation of proteins. Both dysfunction in the mitochondria and protein aggregation are believed to be responsible for the early degeneration of dopaminergic neurons, which are the cells responsible for the production of dopamine. These mutations also disrupt the release and transmission of dopamine, causing less dopamine to be present within the body. Parkinson's disease is a progressive disorder, meaning it worsens over time. There's no cure for the disease, however, it can be treated with medications that increase and substitute dopamine, or deep brain stimulation, which is an operation in which electrodes are implanted into the brain.